Hello guys, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, we're going to talk about Unit 1.2, Lesson 2, Indices and Powers. Now what's the meaning of indices? As you can see here, this is 5 power of 4. So the power here is called index, and the plural of index is indices. Good. So these two, we call them indices. They are the same as powers, as you can see. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about powers and how to find the product of each numbers. Now, for example, let's look at question A here. We have 3 power of 4 and 3 power of 2. Before we start, we have to read the rule. Let's go back and look at the rule. Now, this is the rule or the key point of multiplying numbers written as powers of the same number. Now, if you have the same number and you have powers or different powers, what do you do to these indices? Very good, you add them. For example, if you have 2 power, for example, 2 power of 2 times 2 power of 3 equals what? Very good, it becomes 2 power of, you add these together, very good, 5. It becomes 2 power of 5. This is the rule of multiplying numbers with indices. Now, let's go back to the question and answer the question. Now, in the question, let's talk about A. 3 power of 4 times or multiplied by 3 power of 2. What do you think the answer is? Very good. The answer will be 3 power of 6. Very good, because we added the 4 and the 2. Good job. Now, let's look at question B. We have 4 power of 3 multiplied by 4. Now, if you have a number and you don't have a power on it, what do you think the power will be? Very good. Let's take a look at the rule. This is the rule of having a number without an index. As you can see here, there's no index here, so it will be 1. Very good. So if you have a number that the index is not written on it, it means that the index is 1. Very good. And you add it as 1. Very good. Now let's go back to the question and complete it. Now, in question B, as we said, we have 4 power of 3. And this one, 4 power of what? Very good. 4 power of 1. So when you multiply 4 power of 3 times 4 power of 1, the answer will be what? Very good. It's going to be 4 power of 4. Good job. Now, let's look at question C. Question C, we have 5 power of 4, 5 power of 2. When you multiply the same numbers with powers or indices, what do you do? Very good, you add the indices. So we're going to add 4 and 2. Very good. So the answer will be, very good, it's going to be 5 power of 6. Very good. Now, you can answer the rest of the questions the same idea. If you multiply numbers with different powers or with powers or indices, you add the indices. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.